Hello students, let us study the concept types of contract. In this concept there are chances of 6 marks question as a short note, especially on void contract or voidable contract. There may be 12 marks question also. So there are 3 classification points based on the validity, mode of creation and performance or execution. On the basis of validity, there are valid, voidable, void and unenforceable contract, void and illegal agreement. Point number 1, valid contract. It's a contract which fulfill all the essential elements of a contract. For example, Mr. A agreed to sell his property to B for ₹10 lakh and B agreed to pay the amount. So there is a valid contract between them. Point number 2, voidable contract. As per section 2 subsection I, an agreement which is enforceable by law at the option of one or more of the parties thereto, but not at the option of other or others, is a voidable contract. In simple words, it means a contract enforceable or executable at the option of one party and not at the option of other party. That means only one party is eligible to execute that contract, and other party has no eligibility to enforce the contract. A voidable contract arises in certain situation. Let us study these circumstances. A. When essential element of free consent is not present. When the party agree the subject matter by knowing everything without any external force or influence, that is free consent. That means if the consent is not caused by coercion, undue influence, misrepresentation or fraud. Point number B. When one party does not accept the performance. If a party to contract fulfills its obligation ready to perform and other party is not ready to accept it, then a party who is ready to perform can avoid the contract. In such cases, contract considered as voidable contract. For example, A agreed to sell 100 tons of rice to B on particular date. As per the agreement, A is ready to sell the goods but B is not ready to accept it. There arises a voidable contract. Point number C. When one party failed to perform within specified time. A ordered for the supply of goods with B and the goods should be delivered within 1 week. If B failed to supply the goods within 1 week, there arises a voidable contract. The effect of contract. Voidable contract can be avoided or cancelled by the one party who suffered from loss, or he can honor, he can execute the contract. It is left to the aggrieved party. Point number 3, void contract. Section 2 subsection J, a contract which ceases to be enforceable by law becomes void when it ceases to be enforceable. That means a contract which was valid originally but becomes void subsequently. A contract which is considered as a valid contract in the beginning but later it becomes void. That means useless. There is no value in the eyes of law. It becomes void subsequently. There are circumstances under which a contract become void as per section 5. Point number E, supervening impossibility or subsequent impossibility of performance. For example, Mr. A, an artist, agreed to draw a picture for B for a certain amount, but after some time Mr. A lost his hand in an accident and could not complete the task. In this case, a contract becomes void because of supervening impossibility. Point number B, subsequent illegality. If the agreement becomes illegal after some time, then in such a cases the contract becomes void. For example, A agreed to sell certain quantity of liquor to B on particular date, but before the date of sale, government banned dealing in such a liquor. So in this case also contract becomes void because of subsequent illegality. Point number C, repudiation of voidable contract. A voidable contract becomes void when it is repudiated by aggrieved party. For example, A given consent for the sale of his house for lesser amount to B because of the coercion caused by B. So in this case there is a voidable contract. A can honor or A can repudiate or cancel the contract. If the voidable contract is cancelled, then it becomes void contract. Point number B, impossibility of contingent contract. Contingent contract is a contract to do or not to do something on happening of an uncertain future event. Becomes void when that event becomes impossible. It is a contract to do or not to do something based on the uncertain future event. For example, Mr. A agreed to sell textbook to B if he gets textbook from his wholesaler. So in this contract, A can sell textbook only if he gets the books from his wholesaler. So it depends upon uncertain event. If he did not get the books, in such a cases contract become void. The consequence of void contract. A void contract is perfectly valid and binding on contracting parties until it becomes void. Point number 4, void agreements. As per section 2 subsection G, an agreement not enforced by law is said to be void. So void agreement is void from the beginning. There is no recognition for this agreement. For example, agreement with the minor, agreement with the lunatic, agreement in restraint of trade, or agreement in restraint of marriage, etc. Point number 5, unenforceable contract. It's a contract which is valid in itself but cannot be enforced in a court of law because of some technical defect. That means it is a valid contract between the party but cannot be enforced because of some technical problem like absence of writing, registration, or required stamp is not affixed, or expiry of time, etc. This contract is absolutely valid when these defects are cured. Point number 6, illegal agreement or unlawful agreement. It is an agreement where the object or consideration is forbidden by law or is of such nature that if permitted it would defeat the provision of any law, or fraudulent involves or implies to the injury to the person or property, immoral or opposed to public policy. So if it is forbidden by law, for example dealing in a smuggled goods, the agreement itself is illegal. If is of such nature that if permitted it would defeat the provision of any law. For example, loan given to the marriage of minor. So in this case, giving loan is not against law, but if it is given, then it will result in the marriage of minor, which causes violation of Child Marriage Restraint Act. If it is fraudulent, an agreement to cause injury to person or cheat the person, such agreement is illegal. Or immoral, the agreement to separate the husband and wife is immoral. Opposed to public policy, agreement to take bribe or provide job in a government office, all are illegal agreements. All illegal agreements are void. There is a difference between void and illegal agreement. Void agreements are not illegal, so they are void. They have no legal value because of certain circumstances, but illegal agreements are against